Some days feel heavier than others. When you're living with borderline personality disorder, bipolar affective disorder, depression, or schizoaffective disorder, gentle, practical support can make all the difference. And if you're supporting someone through complex mental health challenges, you shouldn't have to do it alone. At the Resilience Echo, we create thoughtful tools for tough days. Start with your free Clarity Pages printable support for real-life struggles. Download at theresilienceecho.com/claritypages. The consumer version is for anyone navigating mood swings, overwhelm, or emotional shutdowns. Track your emotions, find patterns, and build self-awareness without the jargon. There's also a version designed especially for carers and support workers with daily reflections, notes, and prompts that help you show up with clarity and care. Or download the combined pack perfect for teams, families, or partnerships navigating recovery together. Two perspectives, one shared goal, better communication and support. For deeper insight, try the Mental Health Companion Journal, a 30-day printable workbook designed for everyday use and NDIS planning. It's guided, practical, and rooted in real-world care. Need something simple to explain your diagnosis? The Diagnosis Snapshot Bundle offers respectful, easy-to-understand pages on borderline personality disorder, bipolar affective disorder, depression, schizophrenia, and more. Perfect for general practitioners, case managers, or new support staff. You're not broken. You're navigating a hard thing with courage, and you don't have to do it alone. Download your free Clarity Pages at theresilienceecho.com/claritypages. Printable tools, real-life support, because small steps still count. You'll find all the links in the description below. And if this helped you or someone you care about, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more gentle support. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.